In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best guitar pedals for musicians on a budget. So if you're looking to take your live or in-studio productions to the next level, then stick around and we'll get into it. Now, before we start today's video, we're going to be giving away one Native Instruments Guitar Rig 7 Pro Suite to one of you out there who leaves the best comment or word of advice to fellow musicians down below. Guitar Rig 7 Pro is a creative effects plugin that features some of the most sought-after guitar and bass amps, studio effects, and pedals. You can mix and match modules to scope tones, or create your own signal change with over 100 new rack presets. Now, this honestly has been one of my favorite go-tos when it comes to producing anything that has a guitar in it, so it's something that I would highly recommend that any music producer out there have, whether you're a guitarist or not. So if you want a chance to win this plugin, then leave your tip down below. In addition, if you're looking to release any of the music that you make with this plugin or even beyond that, then Ditto Music is the choice for you. With Ditto, you can distribute an unlimited amount of songs worldwide, submit to potentially get your songs playlisted, and with options like Ditto Pro, you can register your music for claiming publishing royalties, as well as get new sync opportunities for TV and film. If this sounds like something that you could benefit from, then give Ditto a try with the free 30-day free trial in the description below. Now let's get into the video. First, let's start with the treble booster. As you can probably tell by the name, this is a pedal that amplifies the treble sound in your guitar. This pedal is perfect for adding that extra sparkle or clarity to your sound, which is especially useful for cutting through a mix during solos or high energy sections in your song. A good treble booster can breathe new life into your tone, making your guitar sound more brighter and defined. Despite its simplicity, it can significantly enhance the presence and attack of your playing. Plus, it's a really affordable way to get that vintage rock and blues tone that many guitarists crave. A few examples of treble boosters out there that you can buy are the TC Electronic Spark Mini Booster, known for adding a clear and bright boost to your sound for around $60 to $70. Next up is the Overdrive pedal. An overdrive pedal is essential for any guitarist looking to add a little bit of grit and warmth to your sound. It's perfect for, but not limited to, genres like blues, rock, and even some country. Unlike Distortion, which can be pretty aggressive, overdrive pedals provide a more natural sounding breakup, mimicking the sound of a cranked tube amp. You want to look for models that offer a good range of control that allow you to go from a subtle boost to a full-on crunch sound. Two good examples would be the Boss SD1 Super Overdrive, a classic overdrive pedal that is a staple for many guitarists, offering great tone at the budget of around $65, and the Joyo JF01 Vintage Overdrive, another popular choice for its affordability and warm tube-like overdrive sound, priced at around $30. Now let's talk about the Acoustic Simulator pedal. Now this pedal right here is going to be a game changer for those who play the electric guitar but may want an acoustic sound every now and then. It simulates the warm, rich tones of an acoustic, making it a really versatile addition to your pedal board. Whether you're playing live or recording, an acoustic simulator can save you a lot of time and effort, and also money, so you don't have to buy a whole new guitar, you know what I mean? Behringer makes a nice acoustic simulator pedal called the ADI-21 V-Tone Acoustic Driver DI pedal. That's a really long name, it's very unnecessary, but what can you say? This one provides a convincing acoustic simulation, and it's gonna run you about $40. Another one you can try is the Zoom AC2 Acoustic Creator. Now this one's gonna be on a little bit of the pricier side at about $200, but it offers an excellent acoustic simulation effect, and the features that it has may make it worth the extra cost. Now, for those who love those heavier genres, the Distortion pedal is going to be one that you want to look into. Now, unlike Overdrive, the Distortion pedal offers a more aggressive and sustained sound, perfect for rock, metal, punk, you know, these kinds of genres. They can turn even the cleanest amps into a roaring beast. When shopping for a Distortion pedal, look for one that offers a wide range of tone shaping options. This will allow you to dial in everything from a classic rock crunch to modern metal heaviness. The Digitech DoD Gunslinger MOSFET Distortion offers a wide range of distortion tones from classic to modern at a budget-friendly price for those who want to get their feet wet at a little over $100. Another option for you could be the Electro Harmonix Nano Metal Muff. Say that 10 times fast, I sure can. At around $80, this pedal delivers a powerful and aggressive distortion, perfect for that metal and hard rock. Now let's move on to the Reverb pedal. This one is all about adding space and dimension to your sound. Reverb pedals can emulate the acoustics of various environments, from small rooms to vast halls. giving your playing a sense of depth and atmosphere. A great reverb pedal can really transform your tone, making it more rich and immersive. It's especially useful for ambient music, surf rock, and really any genre where you want to create a lush and expansive soundscape, a big sound. For a few budget choices, we have the TC Electronic Hall of Fame Mini Reverb, compact and affordable, offering a range of high quality reverb sounds at just $120. Now, if you're looking for something half that price, we have the Donner Verb Square Reverb with multiple reverb modes, providing great versatility for about 50 bucks. Next up, we have the very simple volume pedal. While it might not be as flashy as some of the other pedals we've talked about, a volume pedal is incredibly versatile and practical. It allows you to control your volume dynamically, which is perfect for swells, fades if you want to, and fine-tuning your sound during a performance. Now, some models also offer additional features like boost functions or tuner outputs, adding even more value to what you're getting. For guitarists who are really on a budget, a reliable volume pedal is going to be a worthy investment for you. Some you may want to consider would be the Ernie Ball VP Junior 250K volume pedal at about $100. It's reliable, it's well built, and it won't break your bank, which is the whole point of this video, right? Or you could go with something like the Moore Level Line volume pedal that is compact and budget friendly, offering some pretty smooth volume control at around $80. And last but not least, we have the Loop pedal, which is going to be really awesome for live performances, songwriting, and even just practicing. Now, these pedals allow you to record and layer multiple parts, creating complex arrangements on the fly. This is going to be especially useful for those solo performers out there or those who just want to create intricate soundscapes. A good budget pedal will offer decent recording time and intuitive controls, which makes it easier for you to create and manage your loops without spending all your money. The Boss RC1 Loop Station is an example of a simple and effective pedal that provides up to 12 minutes of stereo recording time, while the Donner Guitar Looper, I know I mentioned Donner a few times in this video, but that's because they make really affordable options, which has 3 different loop modes, running you about $100 and $60 respectively. All in all, no matter which guitar pedal you choose to get for your setup, there are plenty of affordable options out there that are gonna allow you to get really creative in your music production and your performances. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to expand your pedal board, these options definitely won't disappoint. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it to be useful, be sure to drop a like down below. And also don't forget to leave your comment for your chance to win the Guitar Rig 7 Pro Suite. Subscribe for more videos like this in the future, and I will see you in the next one. Stay legend.